Hi all, this is a quick video I've put together to explain the concept of voltage in electrical circuits. So voltage is a difference in electrical potential between 2 points in the circuit. Before we look at an example of voltage, we'll look at a quick analogy for a difference in potential energy in a system. So in this image you see water at the top of the slope up here. It has high potential energy and wants to flow down here to the point of low potential energy. It's the nature of energy. So we've got an arrow that looks like this. Energy will want to flow from the point of high potential to low potential. As the water transitions from high to low, we can actually utilize it with the use of a water turbine. So as the energy, the water source, flows from high to low potential, the turbine can be rotated and produce electricity. So a battery is a common DC voltage source in a circuit. It has a region of high potential at the negative terminal, where there is an excess of electrons. They want to flow to the point of low potential, which is the positive terminal. There are less electrons at this point. So as you can see from this image, there is no way for this to happen. The electrons just can't flow. They can't flow from the negative terminal to positive. They can't flow from high potential to low potential. So we can place connections between the points of high and low potential in order to allow the electrons to flow. Similarly, as in our water example, we can place components we wish to power into the circuit. So the flow of electrons through the component, as the electrons flow from the negative terminal, the high potential, to the low potential through this wire, can be used to power this motor here. So high potential wishes to flow to low potential. The electrons will transition through this wire, pass through the motor, power the motor, to the point of high potential, low potential, the positive terminal of the battery. As a physical representation of this, I've thrown together this quick circuit. We've got the negative terminal of the battery, the point of high potential. From here, the electrons will flow through this wire, through our breadboard, along this wire into the motor. From the motor, back into our breadboard, to the switch, which is just a convenience, and to the positive terminal of the battery, the point of low potential. When I switch our circuit on, you can see our little vibration motor, which is taken out of a video game controller, starts to rotate. You can see our motor works as the electrons flow from high potential to low potential in our DC voltage source.